Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to create your own Snapchat filter using Lens Studio. So in order to create your own filter, you would have to open your web browser and go to Snapchat's Lens Studio. However, one thing you have to note down is that this feature is not available in all the regions, and you would need to have Snapchat Plus subscription in order to access that feature. But for now, I'm going to launch Safari on my mobile device and then search for create.snapchat.com. Now let's wait for some time until the website is loading. Now once you come here, in my case, you can see that this feature is not available in my region. So I'm not able to show you how this feature would work and how you could create your own filter. And if you have that feature available, you can search up this website and you will know how you can create your own filter. Also, how much you would need to pay in order to access those features on your Snapchat account. So this is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.